Hello everyone, I'm your host Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel, TNB Academy. ISO 22003 is not just another standard. It is a cornerstone for how food safety management systems are audited and certified. It directly affects how food companies get certified and how certification bodies conduct their operations. But the ripple effect goes far beyond that. From suppliers and distributors to auditors, regulators, and even consumers. ISO 22003 shapes food safety globally. In this video, we will explore its impact on each key stakeholder. Impact on food manufacturers. For food processors, producers, and packaging units, ISO 22003 transforms how they are evaluated. Audits become more structured with sector-specific expectations based on food chain categories. This means food manufacturers must improve their documentation, internal audits, and readiness for sector-specific risk. Whether it is perishable, dairy, that is category C, or shelf-stable dry fruits, that is category D, ISO 22003 ensures that audits are more relevant, accurate, and comprehensive, helping manufacturers strengthen their FSMS and reduce safety risk. Now let's talk about the impact on distributors and suppliers. Suppliers and distributors fall under categories like Category F, distribution, or Category G, retail. ISO 22003 audits in these sectors emphasize traceability, transportation, hygiene, cold chain integrity, and handling practices. This pushes suppliers to improve their systems and documentation. Distributors must now maintain better logs, cleaner facilities, and training for handlers. It enhances food safety all the way through logistics and supply chain. Now, impact on certification bodies. For certification bodies, ISO 22003 is the rule book. It directly governs how they assign auditors, determine audit durations, verify competence, and conduct audits for various food sectors. Certification bodies are expected to maintain detailed procedures for planning, conducting, and reporting audits, and they must align with GFSI benchmarks too. The pressure to manage documentation, impartiality, and auditor competence under ISO 22003 is high. Mistakes or non-compliance can cost certification bodies their accreditation status. Now we will discuss the impact on retailers and supermarkets. Big retail chains care about food safety because their brand reputation is on the line. Most of them require their suppliers to be certified under FSSC 22000 or similar schemes that use ISO 22003. This gives retailers peace of mind that the certification are based on competent, reliable audits. It improves their supply selection process, supports faster recalls if needed, and reassures customers about product safety. Now we will discuss the impact on government agencies and regulators. While ISO 22003 isn't a law, it helps shape national food safety regulations. Regulators refers to its structure when designing food safety programs or approving third-party certifications. It is aligned with Codex Alimentarius and international trade expectations. ISO 22003 provides governments with a trusted risk-based model for FSMS audits, helping them improve import-export controls and harmonize domestic rules with global practices. Now let's discuss the impact on auditors and technical experts. Auditors have to meet stricter competence requirements under ISO 22003. They must be technically trained in the food category they are auditing, understand HACCP deeply, and be able to evaluate food safety culture and risk management practices. This increases their training load but also raises their credibility and value. Auditors are now seen as strategic partners in food safety, not just checklist followers. Now let's come to impact on importers and exporters. ISO 22003 based certifications like FSSC 22000 have become a passport for global trade. Importers and exporters rely on such certifications to prove product safety without repeating audits in every country. It simplifies global compliance, speeds up customs clearance, and reduces product rejection. Exporters especially benefit from uniform audit expectations, while importers gain confidence in their sourcing patterns. Now let's discuss the impact on consumers and public health. The ultimate beneficiary of ISO 22003 is the public. While consumers may never hear of the standard, they enjoy safer food, clearer labels, and better recalls thanks to it. The standard raises the quality of FSMS certifications, which ensures that certified products meet globally accepted safety benchmarks. This builds trust in brands and contributes to public health outcomes. ISO 22003 is everyone's business. ISO 22003 touches almost every stakeholder in the food ecosystem, directly or indirectly. It improves how food safety is audited, certified, and trusted. Whether you are a manufacturer, auditor, consultant, certification body, or consumer, this standard shapes the food you produce, inspect, certify, or consume. Understanding its impact is not just important, it is essential for building a safer, more transparent, and globally harmonized food industry. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.